Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the hardware and assessing damage. Unbuckle and pull the belt slowly to reveal the retractor. That tells you if it retracts smoothly or sticks. If you see frays, deep cuts, or melted fibers, plan to replace the webbing or the entire assembly because strength is compromised. Once done, remove trim panels as needed to access bolts. Keep fasteners organized so reassembly is straightforward and safe. You now focus on the core repair. Remove the retractor and buckle bolts with proper tools, noting torque specs. If the webbing is salvageable, clean residue and free twists. Otherwise, install a matching replacement part to maintain load ratings. Make sure to reconnect any pretensioner wiring only if undamaged. If the pretensioner deployed, replace the entire module because it will not function again. Tighten bolts to spec to ensure correct force distribution. You finish by testing the system. Cycle the belt several times and perform a sharp tug to verify the locking mechanism engages. Make sure the buckle latches securely and the seatbelt warning light goes out after reconnecting the battery. If it stays on, scan for fault codes. If the belt binds or makes noise, recheck anchor alignment and the retractor spring for debris. Replace the retractor if internal damage exists. Key tip: if any safety component was damaged, replace it rather than repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.